highlight. Let's get started. I got my water and my oil. This is tomato sauce. And this is sea sauce. This is noodle. Guys, don't forget to wash your hands because I already washed them. Bye. Guys, now the noodles, now the oil's hot, and my mom's gonna help me put the noodles in the pan. Now I'm gonna put the water and the tomato sauce. Now I'm gonna put a pinch of salt. So I'm gonna wait for 20 minutes. Guys, now the soup is ready. Wanna check it out, guys? Ooh, so yummy! Hey guys, now I'm gonna test my soup, and here's Cosmetti. Good. Watching. See you next time. Bye.